So guys, open any browsers to type Google search box to Lenovo in model number like that. You can see here, and after that you enter the download driver. So you have get a lot of URL and website. So guys, this is officially website pcsupport.lenovo.com. Go to this, right click to new tab, and try to second also. Okay, if you come on this URL, like you can see, this is manual features. Okay, now this is buffering the website. Second one, you can see this is download and software. Okay, so that means guys, you can scan now, so automatically detect your required driver to your system and it will install next 5 to 10 minutes. This is guys manual. Okay, just click to manual. You can see this is all the driver showing here, audio and Bluetooth, camera and Wi-Fi, like that. Then guys, you can see this is Bluetooth. Select, this is Bluetooth driver, click to download, then click to setup, and then click to yes. Okay, then I accept, then next, install, and then okay, and then finished.